Hello students, how are you? Doing maths regularly? Okay. Now children, our running topic is median in chapter 14 statistics. Exercise is 14.3. Question number 1, 2, 3 we have finished in last video session. Today we will learn question number 4. Now children, now nothing new we will learn, just for practicing we are doing remaining problems given in this exercise 14.3. Question number 4. The lengths of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to the nearest millimeter and the data obtained is represented in the following table. Length 118 to 126 3, 127 to 135 5. Likewise children, here data is given. Here we have to learn that question is find the median. Now children, this number to this, now children, here 126, it should be here 126, then directly we can start this, but here it is given next number. So now children, this is not continuous data. So we have to convert this according to given hint. Let us read children hint. The data needs to be converted to continuous classes for finding the median. Since the formula assumes continuous classes, the classes then change to this way children. Now see here, 118 is given, subtract 0.5 from here, add 0.5 here, so it becomes 117.5, this one, add 0.5 in this, so it is 126.5. Similarly here subtract 0.5, in each one subtract 0.5, in each one add subtract 0.5, then data will be like this children. Okay. Now using this as a class interval, solve the problems. Let us learn this. Now children, question number 4, exercise 14.3. This is class. Now children, here 0.5 we subtracted, 0.5 we added. So we will write down this. This is frequency. Cumulative frequency, you know how to obtain. This 3 comes as it is. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 9, 17. This way we will write. Now children, here you can see that this number and this number are same. Now here 0.5 subtract. So it will come same here. Add 0.5. So here 1/4 this number comes here. This number comes here means what? 0.5 is subtracted. Add 0.5, 153.5. Here 153.5, 162.5, 162.5, 171.5, and finally 180.5. So here 17, 29, 34, 38, 40. Now children, once I told you that these two numbers should be same, meaning is this calculation is right. Similarly, if this is right, sometimes here also make mistake. So now we are getting same number. Now n is given 40. 40 by 2 it is 20. Now 20 is here. 20 comes after 17 here. So our median class is this one children. This is our median class. So this is our F. This is our CF. And children, this difference H equal to 9 children. Generally round figure we get 10, 15 or that way. But here it is given 9. So median class is 144.5 to 153.5. 5, frequency is 12, CF is 17, H is 9 children. Put this value in this formula. So L is 144.5 children. L we have not written. Lower limit of this. So 144.5 plus n by 2. It is 20 here. CF is 17. So 17. F is 12. H is 9. Now children, simplify this. Now 144.5, this is 3 by 12 into 9, 4. Now children, we know that it is 9 by 4. Multiply 25 up and down, because here you multiply it, so 100 you will get. This multiplication is simple. So now it is 144.5 plus 2.25. Add this number. It is 146.255. So it is 75. Don't put 30, children. તો તાવડમાં તમે અહીંયા 0.5 ના 25 એડ કરી 30 કરી નાખશો, એવું નથી. So this is your final answer, millimeter. Don't forget to write this. Half mark will be cut if you don't write. Okay children. So you have entire view of this answer that you can copy. Question number 5 children. The following table gives the distribution of the lifetime of 400 neon lamps. So this is lifetime given 1500 to 2000, number of lamps 14. Question is, find the median lifetime of lamp. Question number 5 children. Here this is class, frequency CF. Now children, CF we are writing. This 14 comes as it is here. 14 plus 56, 70, 130, 216, 290, 352, 352 plus 48, 400. Children understood? This addition this way. Similarly this to this way. Okay? And these two should be equal. So whatever we have done here calculation, it is right. Now n equal to 400, n by 2 equal to 200. Now 200 we have got it. 200 comes after this. So median class will be what children? 300. This is our median class children. Okay, this is our F, this is our CF, and this difference H equal to 500. Okay, this is F, CF. Okay, now it is very easy children. Median class, it is 300 to this, L equal to 300, CF equal to 130, F equal to 86, H equal to 500. Put this value. Now this is formula children. L equal to 3000 plus n by 2 is 200 minus 130 upon F is 86 into 500. Okay, n by 2 is here 200, CF is 130, F is 86, H equal to 500. Simplify it children. Now here 3000, This is 35 into 2. This is 43 into 2. 500 children. These two cancel. Now here is 43 children. Now you have to do division. No option children. Okay. So do division on rough paper. Then add. You will get final answer children. 3406.98 hours. ચલો આ યુનિટ જે છે એ તમારે અહીંયા જે આપ્યું હોય ડેટા એનો જે યુનિટ ક્વેશ્ચનમાં હોય તે અહીંયા હંમેશા લખવાનો. ઓકે. So this is children entire view of this answer here. Okay children, so by this way question 5 we have finished. Now children, question number 6 and 7, same method you have to do, that is homework, because you have to do homework. Okay children, so now let us proceed next topic, that is graphical method to find median and other details we will study now. Now children, topic is graphical representation of cumulative frequency distribution. For to understand this graphical, here we will use the example given in table 14.13. This is given on page number 280. 280. Now children, here this graph, this is cumulative frequency, this is upper limits, x-axis, y-axis. On y-axis you have to take cumulative frequency, on x-axis you have to take upper limits. Now upper limits and lower limits let us understand from the table. Now children, this graph is known as less than OGIVE. We pronounce this way, it is given that OGIVE. Earlier days or we were speaking ogive, ogive, whatever it may be. Here it is written that way you have to pronounce. I will speak ogive. You may have different also. It is not a matter of discussion. Now children, here less than ogive. So there are two types. Less than type. Another is more than type, and both are given in table 14.3. Let us see that children. So here we have this data less than type. Frequency we don't require, we want CF, so this is our CF. Now children, when we take less than type graph, at that time children, in this table here 0 to 10, so upper limit we have to take on x-axis, and for that corresponding frequency is 5. So come to this point. So here is a graph, and for this graph this is observation. First observation is 10. This is upper limit of first class, and corresponding to that cumulative frequency is 5. Similarly upper limit 28. So now how to draw this children? See, 10 to 5. So here is 10, here you take 5, this is point. 20 to 8, 30 to 12, 40 to 15. I am reading this children. So 50 to 18. So here is 50 to 18. Likewise you put points all here. Then you draw free hand children. Don't use your scale. So free hand we are getting this shape. So this is known as less than ogive. Here we have taken children upper limit, contradictory word. Upper limit less than type graph. Now children, exactly similar way here we have more than type graph, but we will take lower limit. So come to page number 281 children. This is children more than type. This is class children. So more than here 0. So 0 corresponding number is 53. Similarly, next is 10, it is 48. So these all x-axis, this all cumulative frequency y-axis. So table is this, children. From this table 0 to 10, so this is lower limit and corresponding frequency is cumulative frequency, children, we have to take. Okay, so this cumulative frequency, this table is not useful, children, just I was showing you, but this is our table. So 0, so 53, 10, so here it is 48, next is 30 to 40, 45 CF. Let us see page number 290, children. So here you can see that 0 to 53, 10 to 48, 20 to 45, 30 to 41. These all are cumulative frequency that we have to plot here. Okay. And finally, after plotting this, now see, children, 0 to 53, x coordinate is 0, x0 always on y-axis. So here is a 53, first point on y-axis. Second is 10 to 48, 10 is here, 48 here you can find out. Likewise, we will have all points. Then with the help of free hand, you will draw free hand, children. Understood, children, this graph work? Now, children, our question is, with the help of this graph, can we find median? Okay, children, that also we can find out. Come to this next page, children, here. Now, children, total observation 53. Total observation 53. So n by 2 is 26.5. This is what 26.5, children. 53 is cumulative frequency. So 26.5 on y-axis. Where does it? It is here, near between 20 and 30. Here is 25. So more than this. Now draw here one line perpendicular to this and parallel to x-axis, children. This is x-axis. So parallel to x-axis, draw line that will intersect somewhere here to this graph. And from this point, draw perpendicular line on y-axis. This is, it will intersect here. This is 66.4, children. So answer of this 66.4, children. So median is 66.4. Now page number 282. By calculation also you can see that obtain 66.4, children. Here we have obtained with the help of graph, children. Now, children, you may have questioned that this graph is less than ogive. What can we do with the help of more than ogive? Yes, children. Let us see. Come to this page, figure 16.2. Now, children, this is more than ogive. Here also, children, same thing. 53 divided by 2, you will get 26.5. 26.5 somewhere here. Draw line this way. It will intersect here. Draw line here. Here you will get 64.7. What is this? 66.4, children. So here also you will get answer. So now, children, we combine both this graph. If we draw a graph on the same page, then situation will be like this, children. This is less than type ogive, this is more than type ogive, and both this graph intersect here. And from this point, draw a perpendicular line. This is 66.4. So we may have question in 1 mark, children. This graph is given. Here value is also written this way. It is written 20, sorry, it should be 66.4 comma 26.5. This point is. So in exam this is given, and from this it is asked that find out median. ક્વેશ્ચન પેપરમાં આ રીતના ગ્રાફ ડ્રો કરેલો હશે, આ રીતના વેલ્યુ લખી હશે. ક્વેશ્ચનમાં પૂછ્યું હોય કે આનો મીડિયન ગોતો, તો એક્સ કોઓર્ડિનેટ જે હોય તે હંમેશા મીડિયન હોય. Sorry children. So by this way children we have obtained this. Okay children, now we have exercise. Before exercise we have example 9 children. So here more than type given, number of shops given, frequency given, and it is asked that draw the ogives for this data and obtain median. So now children, this is graph for this. And here now children, in question more than type given, from that we have to obtain these classes. Okay, frequency already given and cumulative frequency we have obtained here. Now children, from this here we have drawn graph. This is answer children, drawn the graph. Both these graphs intersect here, and that intersecting point is median 17.5 children. Now here one remark is given that this should be continuous, classes should be continuous. If it is not continuous, in question number 4 we did make it continuous classes children. Now children, exercise 14.4, that is based on graph for children, that you try yourself. Okay children, now one instruction or simple advice you listen. Here we have finished the chapter children. All these 3 sums you try yourself. Now listen children. In exam છેલ્લા ઘણા જ વર્ષોથી ગ્રાફ અમે તમને ભણાવીએ છીએ સ્ટુડન્ટને, પણ એક્ઝામમાં ગ્રાફ પૂછાતા નથી. જૂનો જે સિલેબસ હતો એમાં તો બ્લુ પ્રિન્ટમાં જ કહ્યું હતું કે ગ્રાફ પૂછવાના નહીં, પણ નવા સિલેબસની બ્લુ પ્રિન્ટમાં એવું લખ્યું નથી કે ગ્રાફ નહીં પૂછવાના. પણ લાસ્ટ પેપરમાં પણ ગ્રાફ હતા નહીં, કે જે નવી પેપર સ્ટાઇલ આવી એ વખતથી, અથવા નવો સિલેબસ ઇન્ટ્રોડ્યુસ થયો ત્યારથી, નવી પેપર સ્ટાઇલ આવી ત્યારથી. એટલે ગ્રાફ પૂછાતા નથી, પણ મેં તમને શીખવાડ્યા છે, એટલે ઓછા નામે એક વખત ગ્રાફની પ્રેક્ટિસ તમે કરી લો, એ તમારા ભલા માટે છે. ઓકે ચિલ્ડ્રન, સો we are not spending time for this exercise, but my simple advice is at least you try this. Okay children, so we will meet in next video session with new chapter. Okay, thank you, bye, good day.